Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about small living room design ideas 2024. If you found it hard to use every inch of your tiny living room, you are not alone. Small space can feel charmed and tricky to decorate, but don't worry, there are ways to make it work. It is important to realize that even in a small area, smart design choice can have a big impact. By using the right techniques, you can transform your compact living room into a cozy and functional space. So let's explore 5 creative design ideas trailed for small living room in 2024. These ideas will help you maximize your space, making it feel bigger and more comfortable. Whether you are dealing with a studio apartment or a sung family room, these tips will surely make a difference in your home. Nested tables are like a set of tables that fit inside each others. They are super practical because they save space. Imagine having 3 tables, but they can all be stuck together when you are not using them. When you need more table space, you can take them apart and use them individually. These tables are like multitasker. For instance, when you have friends over for coffee, you can pull out the smaller table for everyone to have their own space. Need a place to put your snacks while watching TV? Just grab one of the smaller table, and when it is time to work on a project, you can spread out your materials on the largest table. So nested tables are not just table, they are versatile helper for different activities. Hidden storage solution like items with storage compartments or hollow holes. Coffee tables play a crucial role in keeping your living room tidy and organized. Imagine having a cozy items where you can stash away blankets, magazine or remote controls, keeping them out of sight yet easily accessible when needed. Similarly, a coffee table with a holes interior provides a discreet space to store items like board games, coasters, or even extra through pillows. By utilizing these hidden storage options, you can effectively declutter your living space, creating a more serene and inviting atmosphere without the visual clutter of cluttered. Blocking your room with feel more spacious and relaxing. Plus, maintaining a clean and organized environment becomes much similar as everything has its designed place within this clever storage solution. Maximizing natural light in your home is key for creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. By placing mirror statically around your small living room, you can reflect light and make it space feel larger and airer. Sheer curtains allow sunlight to filter through while sitting, providing privacy, keeping the room feeling open and welcoming. Light colored wall features enhance the brightness by reflecting light instead of observing it, making the room appear more expensive. When natural light flowed into your living room, it not only illuminate the space but also uplift the mood, making it feel more cheerful and comfortable. With these simple adjustable, you can transform your small living room into a sunny retreat where you will love spending time. Mirrors are like magic for small living room. They don't just show your reflection, they can make your room feel bigger and brighter too. First, mirror create an illusion of depth. When you look into a mirror, it feels like there more space behind it. So if you place a mirror on a wall, it tricky your eyes into thinking the room is deeper than is actually. Secondly, mirror bounce light around the room. Natural or artificial light reflects off mirrors, spending brightness all over. This makes the room look more open and airy. Lastly, mirror help to showcase your room's best features. By strategically placing mirrors, you can highlight beautiful views, interesting decor, or architectural details. So when you arranging your mirror, think about where they can best reflect light and make your room feel bigger and more inviting. Implement these ideas can truly make a difference in your small living room. Don't hesitate to try them out and see the transformation yourself. Remember, small charges can lead to big results. Plus, sharing your own tips and experience can inspire others. Your input matters, and together we can create a pool of ideas to help everyone make the most of their living space. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more decorating ideas.